welcome back to Practice Trading with me. Okay, today we are going to practice trading. We're going to do this day because I'm just kind of going in a row now. And okay, on this day we definitely were heading down. We had a downward trend, but we've kind of leveled off and now we're going sideways at the moment. So we're kind of going sideways, but also it looks like the start of a downward trend right here. I can't be certain if it's going to continue, but it looks like it's just now starting, and we'll see if we go below this low. That would be my indication that we're like resuming a downward trend if we go below this low. Okay, that one looks like we might have... Nope. Okay, so we are still in this downward trend. Let's see. We wicked below, but we did not close below this bottom wick. But since we closed below the bodies over here, I think we are resuming this downward trend. So now that I believe that we're resuming it, I want to kind of look at it on a larger scale and draw some lines. Okay, so we did that, and then we went sideways. So I can kind of suspect that we would have that same downward movement again. That's called a measured move. So I assume we probably have a good amount remaining to go down. And if I tried to make it a larger trend, it would be more like that. If I wanted to put a bottom trend channel on this one, it would be like that. So, oops. And then also up here, we were like in this trading range where we were kind of like not going below that point. So we've definitely broken through that. But this, and I'm questioning if I want to just go ahead and enter as a short, because we might be having another one of these where it's just like red bar after red bar after red bar. But I think this signal bar kind of makes me scared. But then I also know that a lot of times like the best setups will have bad signal bars. They'll have signal bars that look confusing, and it's sort of like trying to psych you out. So I know that, but I don't know. I'm just going to keep that bit of information back in my head, but I'm not going to actually enter on it because I don't feel confident about entering right now. Okay. That bar looks better as an entry bar because we're closing very close to the bottom. We have definitely, we've made it much lower than all of this stuff. We're creating new lows. So let's try to enter as a short. And we would put it just like one tick above this, the top of this one. And let's just say about a 2. Okay. Okay, do I still, yeah. Okay, so there we go. That one would have, we would have taken profit right there on that one. And that's actually a really large profit, 41 points. Oh man, I forgot to do the thing again. I forgot to press buy right here. 41 times 20. That's good. Oh wow, that's more than I normally make. So I would be very happy right there at 6:30. I would just call it quits for the day. That's enough money for me and I'd be happy. Okay, I will click through a little bit more just to show you what else happens so that we can kind of chart it and see what happens. Yeah. Okay, so I think overall that trend line was accurate. So yeah, because we looked at it from a larger scale and went all the way back, found points that match. That ended up being a fairly accurate trend line that it followed. And that's it for me. I would not want to trade anymore on this day. I'd be very happy with that. So thanks for joining, and I hope to see you next time.